Today, we will learn how to draw a caricature of a person. Let's draw. Drawing a basic foundation is very important while drawing a caricature. Drawing a basic foundation means simplifying a person's head into basic shapes like circles, rectangles, ovals, etc. It aids you in getting a good result. It is not a necessary part, but, in my opinion, good for beginners. Once you become proficient, then you may not do it. But for now, do it. Exaggerating the features of the face is essential for drawing a caricature. Caricature doesn't mean exaggerating the physical features to make people look ugly, but it means showing the special physical features of a person so we can show how a person is different from each other. There is no particular limit to exaggeration, unless and until it loses its likeness. You have to maintain the likeness, and that should be your priority. Making a caricature is extremely important to practice daily because I believe that practice makes man progress. When you are done drawing the outlines, it is necessary to start scribbling, shading, or painting your caricature. If you want, you can also do some more creativity to make it look different. I really encourage it. It is totally upon you what type of medium you want to use for it. If you want, you can shade it in a realistic or hyperrealistic way or do some creative scribbling to make it look beautiful. I prefer to either scribble or paint, especially when I am drawing digitally, and realistic shading when drawing on drawing paper.